Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today time we are going to talk about guys accessibility menu setting, and today video title is guys how to off color correction mode in our Redmi phone. Guys, you want to off guys this color correction setting, so guys how can you off in your Redmi phone? Today I will show you guys in this video. So before starting video, can first of all guys subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. Guys, first of all we will on our phone setting and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see your additional setting as tap here, and guys you can see your accessibility setting as tap here. Friends, scroll it again. Friends, you can see your color correction tap here, and guys you can see this color correction mode setting as tap here. Then guys your color correction mode will off. And we will come back. Friends, you can see guys everything is fine. Friends, you can see your color correction will off in your Redmi mobile. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.